This is BBC television from London. No more programming has been suspended due to emergency taking place. Please stand by. This is an emergency alert from the UK Air Force. A possible nuclear strike from this country has been received. The nuclear bomb will be expected to arrive in the next few minutes. Current threat level is critical, meaning the attack will be imminent. All transports will be closed for military use. Essential telephone lines has been also disconnected for military communications, and all internet access will be also disconnected for military use. Please take food, drinks, clothes, medicines, and more items and go to your shelter and stay there until 14 days until UK releases all clear siren. This is not a test.